Hello and welcome to La Liga. They don't come any bigger than this in world football. It's El Clasico. It's Barcelona versus Real Madrid. Let's head straight for the Camp Nou, the floodlights shining down in the heart of Barcelona.
Barcelona's lineup here. Claudio Bravo starts in goal. Piqué starts with Jeremy Mathieu in central defence. Iniesta plays with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. Lionel Messi is the main striker today. Modric. On to the attack now. Good strong tackle. Iniesta. And now Iniesta. So decorated, so talented, and in the end, so disappointed. Andres Iniesta and Spain in Brazil. They've still got an opportunity here after the goalkeeper parried it. In with a chance. He missed it. Game this for Barcelona. They want to win. They know they'll have to give it their all to get that win. Sergio Busquets. Attacking well here. Looking for Iniesta. Jeremy Mathieu. It's Messi. There's no question that Leo Messi looked like what he is, the best player in the world during the World Cup of 2014. Kroos. Here come the support. What's he going to do here? Valente Larrazabal, the referee. Alan, we've got to talk about it from maybe a British viewpoint. But Gareth Bale, he wanted to go so badly, and you can see why. He's been fantastic.
Oh, hasn't he just? It's so pleasing to see a British player go over there and look totally at home. He's not been fazed at all. He realises he belongs in the company of Cristiano Ronaldo et al. So he's certainly played his part.
Dani Alves. There's the ball in, trying to find Bale. And the defender dealing with the cross. Now Messi. He's coming forward with some danger. Great opportunity, not to be. Barcelona have scored here.
The goal for Messi. No thoughts in his mind to blast it. He's just placed it in, side-footed it to the bottom left.
Barcelona ahead. Gareth Bale has suddenly sped forward in literal terms as well as metaphorical terms. What a player now.
What a player. I think if you look at his stats, he tends to break all.
Here's the chance. Went for the lob. The goalkeeper was able to reach back and keep it out.
And when they come off, they look spectacular, but the keeper was having none of it there.
On towards Messi. This could be it. Good clearance from Sergio Ramos. Cristiano Ronaldo. I think he can expect this reception every time he comes back here. Dani Alves. That flag is up, it has gone out. Off the player. Ivan Rakitic. Adriano. On towards Messi. Well, they're a goal up. Now they've got a corner here. It's coming up now. Another view of Messi's goal. Busquets! Well, the corner wasn't defended at all well, but nor was the chance taken well.
No, and they will be relieved because they'd switched off the defenders there.
Here comes the replay.
What reflexes there from the keeper.
Ivan Rakitic. Target Sergio Busquets. And a sharp restart. Sergio Busquets. Takes the shot off. Oh, got in the way, great block. And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. That's half-time, signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. Good contest here, hard to make chances, let alone score goals. Second half underway, Barcelona have got the lead. Going to be a yellow card to the player of Real Madrid.
The ref did not hesitate producing that card, did he?
He's hit the free kick. That's a shot well off the mark. You can see that offence again here.
The ref had a good angle, good view of it as well.
Iniesta. Sergio Busquets. And either side, he's got players who can help him here. Great hands. Time for Real Madrid to just tinker with the team a bit with a substitution. And he goes for goal, back off the bar. That's a good challenge. Iniesta.
Oh, Iniesta.
He's got space. Got to be. Still a chance after that save. PK. Sergio Busquets. Iniesta. That's the thing about football, it does move on. Iniesta and his Spanish colleagues, of course, have had so many great days, so much success. But Brazil 2014 was a desperate experience for them. It's looking a real uphill climb for Real Madrid.
Well, the manager on the sidelines waving his centre-halves forward. Could be Route 1 stuff now.
Free kick against Barcelona. They decided to make a change, and being behind, you can understand that. And that is now the goal kick. Here it is again, the effort from James Rodriguez. It's Messi. Turning out to be a dream performance from this chap so far, Alan.
Yeah, he's dominating things, isn't he? He's really vocal down there, demanding the ball, and his teammates only too willing to give it to him.
Real Madrid have decided to bring on a fresh pair of legs. Looking to supply Cristiano Ronaldo. Goalkeeper Has to go and get the ball for the goal kick.
Well, he was a bit of a loose cannon, you have to say, Martin, and his discipline had completely gone out there.
Matthew. And now Iniesta. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. That has gone out of play with the deflection. Gareth Bale. And the ball's got away from him. 85 minutes played, 5 to go. It's a quick break. He's in the clear. Rakitic. That's a goal for Barcelona.
The goal from Rakitic. Well, it is an open goal, but he had to keep his concentration, and he did the simple thing well.
Now it's Tuna. This could be a chance. Messi in the clear, in with a chance. Goalkeeper. That ain't being lobbed, the goalkeeper's done nothing, and he made sure he wasn't in the end.
Yeah, furiously backtracking, and it was a poor. I think it was a poor decision from the striker to try that lob.
And now Iniesta. I can't see them scoring from this sort of range against this type of goalkeeper. Neymar. Kept out by a player getting in the way of the shot. And it's come to an end here with the final whistle.